Grabe yun. Promising po yung trailer, nakakatakot po. Ano po yung
Wow!
kakaiba
Charot,
sa...
joke lang.
Pang ano lang ba? Yung po! Di ba ganda-ganda babae pag ganun ka kulit para mapupoto?
Makulit talaga.
Ano
Hindi
po
lang
yung-
ano lang ba? Kasi pang
Oo.
Ano po yung kakaiba sa folk horror na ito?
Easy ka muna.
Oo.
Kakaiba.
Ito. Hindi, joke lang. Joke lang. Hindi, it is horror, diba? Folk horror. Pero, it's really a story of mothers. And the power of Mother Earth and nature. It's a story of who really owns the land. Diba? So, just making sure na wala kayong nakikitang hindi dapat makita. Gusto po nating maging trending, but not in this way. Sinek ko lang po, sinecure. Bale, it's really, ginamit lang yung horror as a way to tell a story of, ang lalim niya actually who really owns land? Who really owns? Is it the one who's holding the title? Is it the one na nag-aalaga ng isang lugar? Or is there a bigger thing we need to address, diba? Like, who really owns it? Pag iniisip mo, diba? Mapaisip ka, diba? Ikaw marami ka lupa. Isip, sino ang nagmayari?
Natulala. Really ako.
Parang, diba?
Yung mga bata.
Or do you own it, or are you really just taking care of it
Yeah.
for the next generation? I think these are the things that we discuss when we tell the story of the caretakers.
Just coming off of what Iza was saying, no, na I came from a conference about wealth conference with Sina Brother Bo, and he was saying, very interesting to me kasi syempre we're into real estate, my husband and I, not big, but basically
Kaya gusto ko may,
not big, pero kasi basically doon na pupunta yung ipon namin, alam ni Ate Rose to, doon na pupunta yung ipon namin mag-asawa. So nung present sa akin itong kwento na to, hindi siya malayo sa mga the way I think about land, the way I see land, the way I see how it can nurture you, nourish you, but also could destroy you, no? So ako, parang nung nakita ko yan, parang isip ko, oo nga, kahit ikaw ang may-ari ng property, ngayon ikaw may titulo, ikaw pa talaga ang may-ari, no, na the much bigger picture. And sinabi nga ni Brother Bo that we are just merely property managers. Na over time, ang mangyayari, pag binenta ko tong lupang to sa'yo, ikaw nang may-ari niyan, but technically, ibibenta mo rin sa iba. So, at the end of the day, sino may-ari talaga ng mga lupain, ng tahanan, ng space na yun? And so, with this horror film, what we really wanted to do was not just, to tell the story na horror, but also something that is underlying every story. Ang maganda lang kasi sa film natin ngayon sa Pilipinas, and I've seen it all throughout the time na nag-juror ako for IME, sa Juror ako for Asian Academy, na nag-evolve na tayo. Ang isang kwento ay hindi na lang tungkol sa iisang kwento. Sometimes the kwento na maririnig mo will lead to something that is much bigger than all of us. And hopefully with this film, yun na ang matranscend sa mga manonood.
First movie niyo po ba ito together?
Yes! Sana hindi last. First movie namin ni Ease Together.
Yes.
And I'm so excited for everybody to be able to see this. Kasi lagi kami yung hindi nagkakatrabaho together. Dahil kadalasan yung roles na na-offer sa aming dalawa ay medyo pareho.
Similar.
O sa teleserye, never pa kayo nagkasama.
Ay,
No,
meron yung sa
yeah.
atin.
Guesting.
Again,
Yeah, I forget the name of the show. Sorry, it was under Dreamscape. And then, she played the young Susan Roses, and then I was the young Pilar Pilapil. Yeah.
So, how was it working with each other naman here? So, pareho kayo mahuhusay na actress natin ngayon.
Oh,
No doubt
thank
about
you.
that.
Atin, sobrang nakakatuwa. Ano talaga, yung parang nag-expect naman ako magiging masaya yung set namin. Hindi ko lang na-expect na ganun kasaya. ang sarap kasi nung pakiramdam na kapag nanay ka, di ba, sabi nila, pag nagtatrabaho ka, relief mo yon. Doon ka talaga nakakapagpahinga pag nagtatrabaho ka. When you are a working mom, and I'm sure a lot will relate
Actually,
to
mas
that.
marami ka pang nagagawa pag wala ka sa bahay.
Isipin mo na lang, kaya alam mo, lagi ko sinasabi na iba talagang pagsaludo ko sa mga full-time homemakers and
Yes.
full-time moms kasi ako mismo, parang kinakailangan ko magtrabaho every now and then, every after giving birth and taking care of the children kasi doon ako medyo nakakahinga pag nagtatrabaho. So going back to the question kung paano yung pagtatrabaho namin, naging masarap na paghinga to sa akin na nakatrabaho si Iza. I was at the time when I was doing, of course, teleserye Sunod-Sunod. I did High Street while I was doing Good Morning Kapatid at a much later time, no? Pero nung shoot namin to, it was already at 5:30 in the morning, which I still do up until today. Doon din ako galing kanina. Gusto ko yung trabaho ko sa lifestyle show namin na Good Morning Kapatid because I finish at 8 a.m. So anything I do after that is really a very intentional choice. Ibig sabihin, kailangan kong gustuhin yung tatrabahuhin ko para puntahan ko. Hindi naging mahirap itong desisyon na ito because it was Isa, of course. And even the staff and crew, parang pamilya ko na tong mga ito dahil kami-kami lang din naman ang mga nandito. So it was a very, very good experience at the Rose. It was one for the books only because I feel there are so many firsts in this movie. No, maraming mga unang pagkakataon na ma-experience sa mga manonood na makikita lang din nila ngayon.
Wow. Thank you, Dimples. To address your question, Teros, I had a lot of fun. Like what Dimples said, getting to know Dimples more. Kasi,
And Papa B too.
and Papa B as well.
Kasi nandun
My
si B.
brother. Oo. Tropa Pits.
Parang sila pa nga yung mas Oo, kasi ang healthy kasi ng food ni Isa. Sorry na, bilhin mo yung food ni Isa talaga, sobrang healthy. Lord,
Hindi ka-
talaga sabi
ikaw
ko.
naman.
So si Papa B, mas healthy kasi siya sa akin, mas siya yung nakakakain. No?
Grabe
Uy,
ka
pero
naman.
na-enjoy ko yung kamote chips.
Oo.
Masarap yung kamote chips.
Pero bangkaan kaming lahat sa
Oo.
tent.
Ang saya!
Pati nga si Mike, di ba?
Yes,
I mean,
Mike
yung
also.
makeup artist ko na talagang kababata ko na lagi ko talagang everywhere, like my BFF, ganyan. Di talagang magaan kasi kwentuhan lang and talagang I love kasi connecting with people. I love learning also from people. And there is so much to learn from Dimples. As a mother, as a businesswoman, as a marketing specialist, parang, alam mo yung parang, I admire you on so many levels. Yung parang, yung talagang what you have now is clearly a product of hard work and smart work. Kasi, diba? So, yung, and then, so parang, apart from that, on set, hindi ka mag-iisip na, Diyos ko, yung eksena ko, walang energy. Hindi, wala yan. Hindi, dami din
Bakit
energy.
Isa?
Meron ba?
Meron ba?
Oo, nagkulang nga. Hindi. Pareho kaming dahil taas ng energy. But at
Oo.
the same time, you know, when the work is there, you know na parang may masasandalan ka.
Yeah.
May ka-eksena kang
Yeah.
that is dependable. You know, part of my work is already done because I know she's going to do her work really well. And then part of that is knowing na when I got to work with her na, okay, she's not in this too. Mararamdaman mo na naman yan eh, pag gustong magpabida ng kasama mo. Yung ganon. Pero hindi ganon eh, yung parang nagbigayan. So it was a very good dance on set. And then, as she said, production, ako, sasabihin ko lang first set to na may craft service.
Oo.
Sorry, I forgot to mention that sa iba nating mga shoot.
Spoiled kami
Coffee.
dito.
Not just for us
Yeah.
para po sa buong
Yeah.
production, sa staff, sa crew. Libre po ang kape, may cookies, tsaka fruits.
At fruits, healthy.
Oo,
ang
at lahat po
pag-aalaga.
kami, iisa nang pupunta kayo lahat doon.
Oo.
So, at any given point in time, pwede akong pumunta doon or si Dimples, kasama ko pwedeng taga-crew, pwede kami
Yeah.
mag-usap doon. And this is the only time I've ever experienced this was when I worked on The Echo in Canada, which was a SAG film. Hayam, which, you know, the remake of Sigaw. So parang I've always loved that concept na mayroong isang lugar kung saan lahat tayo magkakasama. Pwede tayong magchikahan or magganyan, magbuga, hinga, ganyan.
Oo.
At alaga tayo in the same way.
Oo.
So I really love that. And then efficient working staff, crew, producers
Yeah.
who were prepared. I love a good prepared production because a lot of the things naman kasi lack of preparation
Yeah.
din naman, di ba?
Oo.
So, I mean, we finished this in 8 days. How do you do that?
Oo.
Yeah.
How do you do that in a horror setting?
Totoo.
How do you do that? Sabi ko nga, believe ako. Believe ako.
At dami pa nating delays yun kasi
Oo,
may ulan
may
ka pa.
ulan, may ganyan kami. Kung hindi kami, baka natapos namin 7.5.
Saan
Di ba
location
yung
based?
Bulacan tayo.
3 hours away.
Oo.
Naiwan.
Oo,
Talagang-
tanggalin. At saka, may I add, no, is, can I say that we are zero waste
Zero
here?
waste, yes.
Walang kalat to pag umalis kami doon,
Oo.
Vanessa. We brought our own tumblers, we had our own thing.
Yes, and everything was kasi they really tried to be the first zero waste
Yeah.
production. And have we succeed? We did succeed
Yes.
in being the
Yes.
first zero waste production. Nothing was packaged meal. Everything was buffet,
Plated.
plated. So, maganda rin.
So
Yun
parang
nga.
ay pinapakita nyo na sa movie na kumbaga you really have to take her or the mother nature will take it.
Apakahusay talaga ni Ate
Iba.
Rose.
Natumbok mo.
Galing
Oo.
talaga. Pero totoo naman, di ba, in all things, dapat naman hindi lang kapag kinakailangan natin gawin. But really, what we want to inspire for people to do is really just to do this on a day-to-day basis. Maging parte ito ng pagkatao natin.
Curious lang ako, sorry. Isa,
Time's up na daw. Charot din.
since ang hirap din ng ganito kasi may
Madali.
Okay lang yung kaya.
Since Dimple is a mom of 3 na medyo expert na sa kanya. Medyo, lagay ko pa medyo pa rin. Ano yung mga naging takeaway mo sa kanya as a new mom pa rin naman?
Meron ba yan?
Pero, no. Kasi nga, I think one of the things you shared is every child is different. So, kailangan mong timplahin yung parenting style mo with every child. And that goes to, that is also applicable to, that's why she cannot be the best mom to my child because this child is my child.
Yeah.
But I guess if you put her in Dimples' house and under her care, at some point she will get to know my child then. So that's a different story. But right now, you are the best mom to your child because you know your child best. And that applies with every child pa pala. Yung, kasi, actually, like I said, I have a 21-year-old. Pero hindi kasi ako full-time mom noon eh. So, first time ko tong makita ng 21-year-old brother. That I'm kind of like a mother to. Pero yung, simula baby, iba first time ko to ma-experience. Yung talagang, and because I have my brother who's 21, I am already learning. Because you learn from mistakes. Unfortunately, that's why panganay ginibig, di ba? Halos yung, ma-apply mo na, okay, what could I have done better? And because the gap is so wide. Now I'm learning because now he is able to tell me how I could have been better. Which, apart from stuff na alam ko na kung saan ako nagkamali along the way, he's also able to tell me na, itong sa ganito. So, na-apply ko na rin sa kay Dea. But anyway, going back to Dimples and what I've learned from her, basta ako gusto ko sana maging kasing galing nito sa business. Kasi
Naku,
ang galing talaga
Sa
eh.
business.
Pag nangangailangan ka talaga, Isa, gagaling ka talaga.
Oo.
Pag kailangan mo talaga
Hindi,
mataas sa tuition
Hindi,
fee.
ba't ako nangangailangan? Pipili pa rin talaga ako ng mga nanatas eh. Advocacy work pa rin eh. So, ay tawag siya ng puso ko eh. So, wala naman. There's no right or wrong. It is really your calling.
Yeah.
And just honoring where life takes you.
Yeah.
Basta turuan mo ko sa business ha. Dimps tips.
Yes. Ano po na-discover niyo sa isa't isa while doing the film?
Na ako siguro, si Isa is very authentic. No? I know this already from before, but she really, she really walks the talk. Meron kasi siyang diba, she has this, She Talks, no? She's part of it. And I guess on the more entrepreneurial business side, I always look at people and I'm inspired by them. I always like to pick their brains, and I always get to meet a lot of people who are actually doing very well in business and in what they are passionate about. And this is not always the case, no? May mga tao na mahusay silang magsalita, pero hindi sila mahusay sa gawa. But Iza is a double threat because she can do
Double threat.
yeah, no, but she can do both. She can talk the talk, she can walk the walk, and she can do both. No, effortlessly at making it look very, very good. So that for me was a big revelation. Not because I didn't expect it, but because I always give it to whoever I'm going to be with to introduce themselves to me. Kasi, for example, this version of Iza may not be the same version na na-meet ng ibang tao before.
Oh,
But
definitely.
I cannot look at Iza the same way other people met her before. I have to look at Iza now kung kailan ko siya nakikilala. And that's the Iza I know.
And vice versa. Ha? Vice versa din.
So I always honor the seasons of people. And for Iza, I love the version that I'm meeting. I love the version that I would meet occasionally before. But this one for me, maswerte ako that nakilala ko si Iza at the time in her life na everything is abundant for her. Her love life, her family life, her career. I'm so excited na naging parte ako ng journey na ito ni Iza. Perfect timing talaga.
Thank you, Dims. I think
Pwede
ba ako Yan. Pero, alam mo, thank you, Dimples. You're also meeting me at a time na life has taught me a lot of lessons. You know, I've been humbled, I've been taken up and down and around and around. I've made mistakes, I have been hurt, I have hurt others. And so I've grown so much, especially after naman ibang growth din ng pagiging nanay. So, and I'm also very fortunate to cross paths with Dimples at this point in her time, in her life, no, na ang dami na rin namin pinagdaanan. I'm sure there is a lot that are similar that we haven't even spoken about, di ba? Na yung just knowing that we have survived a lot of things is I think that's where the big respect comes from. That we are both survivors and I'd like to think we're both thriving in our lives. Again, I say this with all humility, but I am thriving because I have failed. Yeah. And I'm sure in your life you have also been humbled and in different ways. So kaya kami nandito ngayon. And yun yung version na nakilala namin. But at the same time, we both know how to have fun. And I've discovered na meron pa palang mas mataas ang energy sa akin. Pero depende kasi minsan tatahimik din naman si Dimples. Pero pareho kaming madaldal talaga. That is certain.
Nakahanap kami ng katapat.
And
At
so,
si Ivan din, nakahanap ka ng katapat no?
and then so yung lang, masarap na nakilala namin ang isa't isa. Yan.
Ako na lang, last na last.
Ikaw yung bay, gustong magtanong.
Ayun na, okay na. Sabi nga nila parang end of the movie Queen era. Medyo nag-end na when of course we all know Tita Glo died, di ba? But of course they will never be forgotten. Pwedeng sabihin na kayo na talaga ngayon ang mga new movie queen or actresses talaga of this generation na and makikilala na talaga ng susunod din ng mga generation. And my second question, siguro briefly na lang, are you more excited or pressured with the showing of The Caretakers?
Sige, very briefly ate, I don't think the queens of the movie industry will ever be replaced. Malayong malayo. I'll speak for myself. I don't know of course for Iza, but ako talaga malayong malayo kami doon. Ang like to think na lang na ako para sa karera na gusto ko, I would never want to be labeled or at least dream of being a queen of anything. I just want to be the queen of my home. That's the most important role for me. So in terms of my career, ang gusto ko lang ate ay patagalan. Yun lang sa akin. Gusto ko lang maging matagal sa industriyang to para kahit papano yung ibinigay sa akin ni Lord na kaalaman at experience working with different queens, because I got to work with Tita Glo as well and all the other amazing veteran actors and actresses along the way na nagpabuti ng karera ko, ay kahit pa paano mabigay ko naman, maipasa kung ano yung naibigay nila sa akin. Kasi di naman ako tatagal ng ganito kung hindi ko rin sinunod yung mga patnubay nila. And the
Are you
pressure
more
or
excited?
excited,
Oo.
I don't
I don't feel any pressure.
hindi, parang ako, kasi kanina you were saying, no, in another question, na parang she is yung sa pressure, she doesn't feel it. I also don't feel that pressure because I actually have 100% absolute faith on the team of Regal and Rain. I have faith that we can all do this together. As Isa would say it, kami mga artista, nagawa na namin yung aming kailangan gawin. Ang trabaho namin ay umarte at iparating ang mensahe ng kwento na ito. All the others, trabaho na ng iba yun. And we honor the work of our teammates. So I feel no pressure. I feel very excited to tell the story of Lydia and Audrey and all the rest of the characters. And ultimately, be able to affect people in ways na kagaya nga ng pelikulang to. Pag pinanood mo to at pinanood po ninyo, it will grow on you. Meron siyang pace na kakaiba. Hindi siya yung normal horror mo na mabilis. Sisigaw ka, matatakotan kayo, gano'n. Hindi. It will grow on you and it will tell you the story. At ito yung tipo ng pelikulang gusto mong paulit-ulit panoorin para mas maintindihan mo pa. Alam mo yung feeling nung pagkain na alam mo masarap pero di mo makuha yung lasa. Tapos
So, gusto
nainis
mo
ka
pa?
sa sarili mo dahil parang gusto mo pa yun na ito yung pelikula na yun, ate.
Okay,
Gutom na siguro ako kasi may reference na ako to food eh. Di ba, no?
sorry,
Gutom
at
na
saka
ako.
naman yung first question nga ay...
Movie queens.
Movie queens,
Oo.
yes. Yeah, sorry. Kasi nakikinig na ako dun sa last part eh. Yung pressure. So, movie queens, wow! Ay, hindi ko alam na yung sinasabi pala nila ay the movie queens are gone. Yes, but Judy Ann is still around. Alam mo yun, parang the movie queens of that generation, perhaps, but it was also a very different time. So I don't know if like what Dimple said, I agree with that. The only time I labeled myself a queen was when I became Inang Reyna
Oo
in
nga naman.
Encantadia.
Tama.
Because I became the queen. Amihan became the queen, but I don't think of myself as a queen, except of course when you have to, but at the same time, I do think of myself as a queen because it is a tool for me to empower myself because that empowerment comes from within me. But see, that is a queen in my life, in our home, in my husband's life. Iba yan. But in when it comes to my work, we talked about this earlier. I am not a big fan. There is always healthy competition, and that is part of it. That's good. But I don't like having to bring down one another so that you can be the queen. I'm actually quite scared of being a queen of everything because people will want to take you down. All that power and then the responsibility of all that power. And also because of the changing landscape, there are more films, content being made. So I guess there are more queens being made. So perhaps there are just, diba? There are more of us that will command a certain sense of authority and leadership and energy and stature. Perhaps yes. Let's acknowledge that, no? Because we have worked hard. Parang your CV naman will speak for itself. Diba? The what you have done. But to call myself a queen, what I feel is a bit too narcissistic. For me, to call myself a queen. And I've never heard anybody call me naman a movie queen. I don't know. I've never entertained the thought siguro. Parang ganyan, no? Except talaga Reyna. Inang Reyna. Ay, ako talaga yun. And so, like what Dimple said, I have always been in it for longevity. I would like to be like Tita Glo. I would love to act until my last breath. Alam mo yon? And people sometimes say na, what else do you want to do? What do you mean? I say, I mean, of course I want business, huh? I want money. But you mean, maybe I will not be making as much. I mean, but I always would love to be an actor, whether it be in any format, but films and theater I really love. Teleseries are a little more exhausting, so I don't know when I'll be back kasi it really is time consuming and very exhausting. I'm not saying never. At this point lang, hindi ko pa maibigay dahil nandun pa ako sa Dea Network, exclusive contract, yan. But, you know, I love this so much. I love that we get to call this our job. I'm very fortunate, I'm very privileged. But again, you know, it is when your talent meets the needs of the world, there lies your purpose. And as long as I feel that I can do my part and share whatever talents God has given me, then I shall continue to fulfill my purpose in this realm, as I continue to fulfill my purpose as well at home and in my advocacies. So I would love to always be here, and perhaps that's what a queen is, yung just showing up for the work that you're given. Actually, trabaho ang pagiging reyna. Diba, the queen worked, Queen Elizabeth. It's work, it's responsibility.
Pero pareho naman kasi talaga kayong true essence ng actress eh. There's no big or small role sa inyong dalawa. Kasi di ba, hindi na lahat ng actress parang kailangan laging big role. Pero kayo, you both accept. Pero nagmamarka, even like ikaw, this recent MMFF, o di ba?
Thank you. Oo, kasi di ba, kailangan mong sabayan ang agos ng buhay. And just, I said this, the famous Stanislavski quote that there are no small roles, only small actors. But also, it's really you, what do you bring to that?
Lahat na lang isa yun. Sagutin mo lang. Are you more
Ay,
excited or
the
pressured?
pressure, nakalimutan ko na sa dal-dal ko. Sorry, Ivan. Yes, nasagot ko siya kanina, actually, when I was asked. Whenever, actually, lagi tayong may ganito, hindi ako nape-pressure. Ayoko siguro i-pressure yung sarili ko kasi tapos na talaga yung trabaho ko. Whether or not maayos yung trabaho ko, that's a different story. Ako na lang yun, and I always nitpick I myself. So, but that's a different story. But I always do my best. So, tapos ko na yun. And then, this is part of our work, promoting it. And everything else, just the prayer that it all comes together really well. Because the full faith and trust that kung saan man gustong dalhin to ng Panginoon, ay siyang dun niya dadalhin. Kasi we will only really understand how the audience will take this in once it's out in the cinemas. But what we really need help with is your support in telling people to please go to the cinemas to enjoy this cinema experience, because it really is a cinema experience. We've seen half of the film. I'm saying half kasi we're being truthful here. We've seen half of the film, and so far, for me, wow, this is something I would watch on a big screen. Kasi I tried watching it on a smaller screen, and yung iPad na to iba eh. Kailangan talaga, ito yung barkada kayo, pamilya mo, or ka-date mo. Kailangan pumunta kayo kasi the sound, the cinematography, everything just comes together for this film. At ano siya it's yung sinatayong slow burn.
Yeah.
Dahan-dahan siya.
Yeah.
Dahan-dahan. So, magkape kayo bago mo. Para lalong matakot.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you,
Picture.
Ate.
In picture.
Marky.
Invite na lang sila sa